Okay, here we go, everybody. It is me, Gregory Mannarino. This is my pre-market report on this Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Here's where we are. Let me start off with the market real quick. Stock futures are flat. Market doesn't know what to do right now because, again, Mnuchin and Pelosi are dangling that carrot right in front of the face of the American people. It's a joke. This has become a joke of epic proportions over 6 months now. And the joke, well, it's on the American people as usual. There's no other way to put it. It's incredible. All right, so let's talk about a few other things. Yeah, so stock futures are about flat. Bitcoin is just about 12,400. Cryptocurrencies are getting a bit higher across the board. No surprise to you if you follow this blog. Gold and silver are catching a bid. The dollar is lower. The 10-year yield, 0.81. That's pretty lovely. But crude oil is taking a hit. And you know how this works. If crude oil gets sucked down, it hits energy, it hits financials. But the bigger picture here is the carrot. If they can manage to pull something off here for the desperate American people, stocks will rise. They're going to make them beg even more before they're willing to give up a single dime for the American people. We all know how this works. Unlimited capital for Wall Street. We heard it right out of the mouth of Steve Mnuchin. Unlimited. They can get anything they want. We have a Federal Reserve buying it all by design. What else would you expect? You expect the stock market is going to fall despite the fact that we are in a full-on, complete, total economic collapse? Could you imagine what new unemployment claims are going to be when we find those out on Thursday? It's going to be abysmal. Absolutely abysmal. But there's no other way to put it. You have this paradox occurring right now. Again, an economy in free fall, stocks that continue to rise, and it's going to continue that way as long as the Fed is buying it all. As long as the middle class continues to be robbed blind via the mechanism of suppressed rates, which will continue from here to eternity. The Fed will not stop. Now that the Federal Reserve has this terrible grip on the American people, it's not going to let go to fulfill its end game because the American people are too stupid to say anything. Oh yeah, keep rates suppressed. Fantastic. It's tremendous. And we want a weaker dollar too, duh. You gotta laugh. This clearly should demonstrate for you how a society of dumbed down zombies operate. It's incredible. It really is. My nose is so itchy this morning. Anyway, that's the drill. That's where we are at. So keep your eyes on these things. So let's put this into perspective. We got a 10-year yield taking off. That means cash right now is looking for somewhere to go. All right. Some of it looks like it's going into cryptocurrencies right now, a little bit into gold and silver. But I still believe that if a do-nothing loser Congress gets done stringing the American people along, gets done dangling that carrot, they're going to throw you the crumbs. They're going to give people that $1,200 check, for which there will be another one. See, that's the real sticking point here. They don't want you to know that. The real sticking point with these negotiations is, okay, we're going to give people this money. What are we going to do? Or how are we going to word it or spin it for the next one and the one after that? Again, we're moving to a new system, a new paradigm. Period. The end. So just be ready for it. Be ready for a whole new set of rules. Like I've been explaining to you since forever now. They are coming, and I can promise you that these new set of rules coming down the pike are not going to be there to help you at all. It's going to be to further foster the new world order agenda, the merger between these corporations and this new American government. That's all this is. It's about control. I think you get that by now. All right, look, with that said, I got to get to work. Stock trading doesn't start for about I don't know, 35 minutes from now. I will see all of you later. Please share the video. Love you a lot. I'm out of here.